So this video is going to be quick, like just 1 or 2 minutes, and I would just like to tell you 2 or 3 things that you must do before you initiate business registration or while doing business registration. So I do not want to cancel this because I've already made payments. Okay, let me cancel it. I can go back to it later. So what I want to let you know is that before you do any business registration, first thing you need to know is that confirm the name that you want to use for the registration. Always confirm the name that you want to use for business registration. Even if it is not business, even if it is company, you can't change the name again. That's one thing you need to know before you click on that new reservation. Make sure that you confirm the name from your client, or confirm it yourself if it is your own. Make sure you confirm the name. And the second thing is that after the name reservation, I think at the beginning of this video you saw something like an availability code, right? An availability code, which is one of the mistakes that people do while doing their registration. You do not copy your availability code, and at the end of the day, if you have like an issue with your registration, or maybe you want to solve some query, because you did not copy the availability code, it becomes an issue later, because there's no way CAC will track the registration for you without the availability code, right? There is no way they will track the registration without the availability code, and you might not know the query that will come up. You might not know the query that will come later, or that will come up, or even after the registration, that will require or make the CAC help desk request for your availability code. Because I remember somebody had an issue, and I told the person that they should call CAC help desk and they should have the availability code ready. The person does not even know what an availability code is. So an availability code is the code that shows you saw the code right at the beginning of this video. You can go back to the beginning of the video, you see the code. So it is an availability code. It says the code that is given to you after a name reservation. So please, especially for every registration, make sure you copy your availability code, and also your remitter code. And whenever you want to make any payments, just make sure that you copy the remitter code. Make sure you copy the RRR code that is being given to you, that is being shown to you whenever you want to make payments. All right. And sometimes too, download receipts, especially for annual returns. Download receipts. So that's for post incorporation, right? But this is just what I need to let you guys know. For the registration. I'm trying to see if I can get the availability code something right here, but it's not showing. I think maybe it's my network, but you will see the availability code at the beginning of this video. So make sure you copy your availability code 1, and 2, make sure you copy your RRR code while doing your registration. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.